Article 1165. When what is to be delivered is a determinate thing, the creditor, in addition to the right granted him by Article 1170, may compel the debtor to make the delivery. If the thing is indeterminate or generic, he may ask that the obligation be complied with at the expense of the debtor. If the obligor delays or has promised to deliver the same thing to two or more persons who do not have the same interest, he shall be responsible for fortuitous event until he has effected the delivery. So, ang sinasabi dito sa Article 1165 is ang remedy ng creditor in real obligation o yung mga obligation to give. So, kapag ang i-deliver ay determinating, isa sa mga right ni creditor is to compel the debtor to make the delivery. So, compel deliveries, hindi ibig sabihin nito na gagamitan mo ng violence si debtor. Ang mangyayari is pupunta ka ng court tapos yung court ang mag-o-order kay debtor para i-deliver yung determinating. So, ang premise kasi kapag specific or determinating ang i-deliver is na kay creditor lang yung bagay na yon. And kung mag-a-ask ka ng third person to deliver, kailangan niya pang nakawin kay debtor. Kaya pinapayagan ng court na i-compel si debtor. So kapag ang i-deliver naman is indeterminate or generic, may right may right si creditor to ask na gawin ang obligation. Pero wala siyang right to compel o pilitin si debtor. So kapag ayaw ni debtor, pwedeng mag-ask ng third person para mag-comply at the expense ng debtor. At saka may right to recover damage kasi may breach. General rule, the debtor is not liable if his failure to preserve the thing is not due to his fault or negligence, but to fortuitous events. So, general rule natin, no one is liable for fortuitous event. So, exception, kahit fortuitous events pa ang dahilan, basta may delay o kaya nag-promise yung obligor na magdi-deliver siya ng same na bagay sa two or more person, so liable pa rin siya kahit na may fortuitous event. So hindi naman niya kasi kayang i-deliver yung same na bagay sa dalawang magkaibang tao. So ang dating nito parang niloloko lang talaga niya yon. So hindi pinapayagan ng batas na gamitin mo 'tong, ah, general rule para lang makapandaya ka ng tao.